Where's your focal point? Yep, so when you turn, that's where your eyes go. So you're going to turn your head there. Okay? Nope. Ball's there. So look for it at the pitcher. Scoot closer. Elbows up. No. Scoot closer this way. Okay, elbows up. Yeah, I gotta hold that balance. Better. Now don't get distracted now. Gotta keep those elbows up. Get in a good stance. Better. Give me a good stance. Look at your feet. Where's the focal point? Yeah. Where were you looking at before? You're looking this way. It's all right. Who cares if you hit the tee? You just got to keep your elbows up. Yep. Come on, turn that head all the way so you can see that ball. Elbows up. Nope. Elbows up. Come on. Keep the elbows up. Don't come out of your legs. Stay low. Stay low on your legs. All right, one more. All right, do you remember what the next one is? Yep. Just go ahead, pop your foot right there in the middle. Okay? Right hand, left hand. Okay? Get in a good stance. No, not too wide. Good short stance. Keep going. Right there. Yep. Now bend your knees just a little bit. Now drive that plate forward. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You see what happens there? You gotta control it. So let me show you one thing. So when I'm driving this thing forward, so I'm there. Do you see how I'm controlling that? How I'm controlling it? I'm not trying to go. Just trying to control it forward and find a good position. Okay? Bend those knees, yep. Control it forward, find a good position. Keep those knees bent. Too far. So when you go, as you're driving that plate forward, there'll be a point where it's like a happy medium and you can kind of sit into it, okay? Do you know what I mean by sit into it? No? So I'm going, and then I get to a position like this. Do I look like I'm in an athletic position? Yeah, so that's the position you're trying to find. So yours not gonna be as wide. I'm a lot taller than you, right? So I'm gonna have not a little bit, but a much wider stance than you are going to have, okay? You still have longer legs, so you have, a little bit wider stance, I guess launching point than most girls your age. You seem to be, she's a little bit taller on her age, yeah. So you got to find that happy medium, okay? So don't keep your legs straight. Keep them bent, drive. And find that happy place right there where you can sit and you feel like you're ready to go. Okay? Say that's it right there? You feel like you rushed there too quickly? Yes? No? Say yes with a question mark or yes with a period? Say it with your chest, girl. Yes. All right. Try to push with your toes. Push it with your toes. Would you say that's a good place right there, or a little bit further than need be? A little bit further than need be? Feel like that's a good position right there? So hey, when you go, so our anchor point, so I'm gonna steal your bet real quick right here. Well, look at that. Almost brand new. Come on, hop up in there. No. You. Not me. Fix it up. Nope. Fix that. So this is your anchor point, okay? We're anchored off of here and here, okay? So that should be in line. So go ahead, put that in line. Yep. Go ahead. Now bend those knees just a little bit. Bring that plate just a little bit closer to you. Okay? Keep this knee slightly bent. Slightly bent. Okay? Now drive off of this back leg. Okay? But too far? We don't need to be doing splits over here now. That's gonna make me hurt.
You feel you're gonna fall down, you went too far.
Yep. Is this making sense to you, or do you have any questions, or are you confused about something? Yeah, for which one? Making sense is just trying to do it is the issue? Is that a yes with a question mark, or yes with a period? Definitely question mark. So what is confusing you? So let me know, like tell me what's not clicking right now. What's confusing? You don't know. So what part are you not getting necessarily? Like the movement part or the sit part? Like which part is weird to you? Like you don't quite get it. The moving part?
Yeah.
Like moving the plate part? Or how you move? How you move it? How to move the plate? Yeah, no. That's a yeah with a question mark. You gotta tell me what's not clicking so far so I can help you. Is that the main thing? You think? So think about this. So if I'm trying to feel something here, right? I'm trying to feel something. What I'm trying to feel is driving out of my back leg. So we've loaded and stepped already, or we've loaded, right? So we're loaded. If this was a swing, I'm loaded, right? Yes? No? Yeah? So now from there, we have to get forward to be able to get to where? to the ball or contact point, right? So this whole time, I'm just slowing things down and learning how to control my drive forward. Okay? Would you say that was pretty controlled right there? Do I look like I'm in a good position to work from? Yeah, right? So I've anchored myself using this pole and using my back leg to be able to drive forward out of my load position into my ready to what position? Swing, yeah, swing, hit, launch, ready to go, right? Now, would this look like I'm ready to go?
No.
No. Really wasn't much of an athletic position, right? Spot, right? That's why I'm saying bend your knees a little bit. Just allow yourself to slide this thing across to get to a good position. So this would be right here. This would be an ideal position for me, okay? Because now I'm ready to go. I can work from this position, okay? So that's the position you gotta find. So when I go, we're driving off of this backside, right? We have just a little weight on our front foot so we can move this thing. And then once we get this down, we anchor ourselves down into the ground. So this foot has to stop before we're ready to go to swing, okay? Did that clear anything up? Are you sure?
Think about it this way. Take your normal stance like this. Okay? That's where your foot wants to be. Here, and you slide to where you're at here, right? Because your stance is wide, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's trying to get you to come back here and then slide your foot out to where your normal foot goes.
So remember earlier I was telling you, I was like, hey, go into the mirror and watch yourself swing. I showed you the position that you're going to see yourself in, right? So we're trying to counteract that and get into a good athletic position. Okay? Does that make sense? So, like he was saying, technically, if this is our launch position right here, ready to hit position here, okay? We've already went through our whole, all right, this is my normal stance. I've already loaded, okay? So all I have to do now is what? Get to what? Yeah, get to a ready to hit position, okay? We're just slowing things down very, 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 very slowly to feel that. So when you actually swing, you're able to feel that in your swing, like here in the cage, and feel like you're in a good position because we worked on it. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay? You think you got it? That feel like a good position?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever you do though, when you anchor yourself, bend your knees a little bit. You feel a stretch kind of coming up through, bend your knees, you gotta keep them in. You feel a stretch kind of coming up through here, just a little bit. So we want to hold that stretch.
Oh,
Kind of. But you gotta keep your knees bent, okay? Go ahead, keep going. Start over.
Oh.
Yeah. So basically, like I said, we're finding our good position to get into. There's going to be a small stretch on that front side, but that's not a bad thing, okay? So, yeah. Bend those knees. Try to make sure we keep that there. Now bend those knees just a little bit, okay? Good. I think you went a little bit long there, but it's all right. It's not going to be perfect every time. That's how we're doing it. Bend those knees. Yep. Feel all right?
Yeah.
Feel like you can hit the ball hard in that position?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you have a lot of control in that position?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now remember, are we going to turn our front side or are we going to turn our back side?
Back.
Our right side, which is our back side. Yeah. Remember, all you have to do is chop your body right in half. This is your back side, this is your right side, and your left side is your front side. Try to keep your knees bent the whole way. Where's your focal point? Yep. Try on your front foot. Try to stay on your toes a little bit. Okay? Just a little. Okay? Nice and light on that front foot and just drive it forward. Not bad. Doesn't have to be perfect. Ah, you feel all that weight go forward? So hey, so when we're going, sit into that back leg and allow that foot to drive forward. And so did you see once I planted my foot how the weight naturally went to center itself again? That's what you gotta feel. Yeah, if you can get her doing this stuff at home, that will clean up that trying to figure out how her weight should work and jumping at the ball and
I
whatnot.
don't get as much time with her as I did before softball team practice and game.
Not bad. So make sure we drive off of the back foot, okay? Light on the front foot, drive with the back foot. Now try to do that in slow motion. So don't just let go. Do it in slow motion. Fix your feet. Slow motion. Drive, yep, keep driving, keep driving. Now, yep, find that position. Not too bad. A little wider, but it's all right. Now, do you think you can add that backside turn once you get to that good position?
Like.
Yeah,
Oh.
without throwing your chest away. So you gotta keep your chest square to the plate. I should say your chest parallel to the plate. You see these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and home plate. They're all going this way, right? So you gotta keep your, you're a smart girl. You know what parallel means, right? You gotta keep your chest parallel while turning the back side. Get that weight off the front foot. Now turn the back side. Try not to turn that front foot. That's a little bit harder now, huh? Try put your foot in the middle of that. You got to be light here. Got to be light. Okay? Drive and be light. Don't look at me. Where's the focal point? It's all right. You gotta hold it for at least 2 seconds. Don't just turn and get up out of it. Hold it for at least 2 seconds. Good. Can you do this stuff at home? Will you do this stuff at home?
Try.
All it takes is you got a favorite TV show? You watch TV sometimes? You can do it while you're watching TV. Put the TV right here. All you gotta do is this. Now I'm watching the TV.
Oh. Okay.
Try to make sure this doesn't lean too far forward. Try to keep it as straight up and down as possible. Did you turn your chest too? Yeah, it's okay. I see you trying really hard. Is that right leg burning a little bit? Not like burning as in the sun, but do you feel it in your right leg when you're driving?
Yes, kind of.
Kind of. And you're not using your right leg enough. Plant it in there and drive through. Try to turn that chest. No, other way. Turn the chest. Yep, but turn the back side. Remember, we're trying to keep that chest parallel to these lines, right? Parallel to home plate, right? It's also known as keeping it square. For those knees. Not too bad. Almost. I know this is boring, tedious work, but if you want to get good at hitting, you gotta do all the boring stuff, unfortunately.
What does tedious mean?
Tedious, time consuming.
Oh.
That means it's repetitive and time consuming. And it's a very detail-oriented word. Do you know what detail-oriented means? Kind of. You ever heard of attention to detail?
Yeah.
Yep. If you're doing something tedious, it's time consuming, and you gotta pay attention to the details. It's alright, work from there, work from there. Not bad. Sometimes we'll have our step a little bit too far. It happens sometimes. Happens to me sometimes too, still. try not to turn that chest. I'm gonna grab something real quick. Keep going, keep going.
You have to go too far. 'Cause if you go too far, you can't get your chest around. If you go here, you fire this hip like this. Okay? Fire your hip. Fire it. There you go.
Alright. Keep going. Now what you're going to do, put your left hand on there. Yep. Hold it there. Only your left hand. Okay? You do exact same thing. Hold your right hand like this. Like this. Okay? Stretch your left hand out. Yep. Bend your knees a little bit. So when you get to that position, that ready to launch position, hold your hand high. Hold that right hand out. Yep. Don't drop it. You can't drop it. You gotta hold it up. Okay? I'm gonna toss this ball. You're gonna have to come through with your right hand and grab it. Okay? Well, don't grab it, but catch it and punch through. Okay? So stretch that stretch that left arm all the way. Okay? Bend those knees just a little bit. Don't open the chest yet. Yeah. Are we gonna grab it like this, or are we gonna grab it like that? Yeah. Remember, top hand, bomb hand. You gotta hold your hand up. Yep. And also you have to pull too back. Start over. Too far back. Put that pull on your front left hip. Move it in line with your front left hip. The pull.
Oh.
Yep. Here we go. Hold that. Yep. Don't open up. No, can't open up. Not quite. So hey, when you come through, look, that ball's coming through. Boom. Boom. Matter of fact, it might be easier if I do this. Here we go. Go ahead. Right out there. Yep. Bend those knees just a little bit. Drive, drive. No, start over. You gotta start in a good position. Hand has to be up. Everything has to be up. Okay? Ball's there. When I drop it, reach through, punch through it, okay? Hand up, hand up, hand up.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. You gotta come through. Here we go. So here, let me show you. So I'm gonna have you drop the ball. Okay? Here you go. Hold it high. Okay? You're gonna have to go up there a little bit. Okay? So I'm here. Boom, 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 boom. See how I'm almost got there? Yep, let's do that again. Okay? Hold it high. Okay. See that? You can do that for me? Yeah?
It's like we do in the playroom. Okay? Just go grab it.
Don't let it drop and go up. Literally turn and punch through it. Okay? Nice and easy. Right? Hand up. We can look at the ball. Look at the ball. 3, 2, 1. Good try. So hey, don't just drop your hand. Turn the backside. Now, no, look. If I'm holding here, I'm turning the backside. You see how my chest is still pretty much square? Boom. Okay? Is that on? Bend your knees a little bit. 3, 2, 1. What was your first movement?
Down.
Yep, down. Think about this. If you shorten up and you came through and you hit that ball forward like that, then we're doing something right. If I'm coming down doing this, see the difference?
Get your back hand like you're grabbing the bat. Okay? Not like this. Pretend you're grabbing the bat. Okay?
3, 2, 1. Better. You see how you're way quicker? You cleaned up what? You said no?
No, I said
Yeah? No, you're way quicker because you cleaned up the mess. You still kind of dropped just a little bit. It's okay. We'll clean it up. But that was way quicker. I'd rather have that because your hands are going more direct to the ball versus that nonsense. You know what I mean? Here we go. Let's do it again. I'm not going to count this time. Oh, good try. Dankeschön. Dankeschön. Why are you so scared? Squishy ball. See, look. Try to control it first. We're still trying to control it. I know you're ready to go. I know this is a fun challenge for you.
yeah.
Yeah. But still be deliberate with what you do. Yeah, good. Get that arm up. Get that arm up. Good. Good position. Go like this. But that wasn't bad though.
Oh.
Are you trying to hit me now? You mad? What the heck? I can't believe you. Now that's something I expect out of Aria, but you?
I didn't
How
try.
dare you? Yes, I said that, Aria. Your mom would agree with me too. If she watches this video. I doubt it, but that's fine. If you're in a good position, here we go. Good try. Try, no. Go back. Get in that position again.
Oh,
Yep. Try to finish up there, okay? Down here, we're swinging, but we're going boom versus boom. Make sense? Good try. 2 more. And let's swing a bat.
oh,
That's what you came to do. You came to swing, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Did you forget about that part? Oh, what'd we do?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get that ball back now. Try to be as direct as possible. Try to be as direct as possible. Almost, but you went like this. Try to grab it like a cat. I need you to punch the ball instead of grabbing it like a cat. Do a gut punch. What are you jumping for?
That.
Hand up, hand up.
Oh.
Almost.
One more.
Keep that hand up. Straight through it. Good position. Better. All right, give me that pole, please. Grab your bat, whatever bat you use. Okay. Be careful now. I'm not liable for if you get hurt or not.
So the new shoes make any difference?
Your highlighter shoes. Like what we worked on, transition to your swing. Direct, nice and simple. Yeah? No? Maybe so? Well, softballs are right there. Let you feed yourself. Shorten up your stance just a little bit. Look, just tap it more. Yep. Here we go.
Oh.
No, load and step. Do everything you normally do. I'm releasing you. So remember, when we go to swing, turn that back side, right? And I want you to hold your finish for at least 3 seconds. Oh, we turn the back side or we turn the front side? There's a difference. Show me how to turn the back side again. Where should your chest be? Yeah. Okay, nice and easy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Slow, slow, slow. Almost. Where's your chest at? Mm-hmm. Slow, 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 go. Don't think about it. If you're gonna move slow, just allow yourself to move slow and everything you're supposed to do. Slow, 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 go. You gotta stay down, come on. Just like we worked on. Stay down on those legs, turn that back side. Coming up, you're trying, hey, you're going like this, you're going. Instead of what we just worked on, which was boom. Okay? Better. Better, but you got, hey, you're not even looking at the ball, you're just swinging, you're going. Instead of, see the difference? Better, scoot up just a tad bit. Now we're getting all into the bat right now. I need some barrels out of you. I want some good barrels. Just like we worked on. Almost still in the bat. You're not, hey, you gotta see the ball hit the barrel. Gotta see the ball hit the barrel. Nope, still in the bat. Come on. How are we gonna get a barrel? How are we gonna find a barrel? So if we're getting everything, then this is my bat. Okay, everything there. What am I doing? Which part am I turning?
Your front.
Yep, turning my front. Remember, if we turn my backside, if you turn your backside, we should be able to go right to it versus Okay? That's why I said you gotta keep your chest square. Gotta keep your chest square. Now, that's not the main reason. There's other reasons as well. But we're gonna work on this today. Try to keep our chest square to the plate. Allow our barrel to get into that zone and stay in it longer. Allow us to control our body. Not too bad. Do you watch softball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me how you think those girls finish. What team do you like watching? Or do you just watch all of it?
I just watched.
She watched a little bit of the Texas Tech game,
Did you?
the championship. A little bit.
What team did you want to win?
The Longhorns.
Yeah. So tell me something. Do you have a favorite player on the Longhorns?
Not really.
Not really.
Maybe the picture. She was good.
The pitcher? What about any hitters?
This one girl, I don't remember her name, but she got like 31 home runs.
Yeah. Well, what I want you to do is go watch her swing. Go YouTube or wherever, type in her name if you can figure out her name, and see if you can find some of her swings and look how she swings the bat and look how position she gets in and anything else. Can you do that for me too? You got 2 things of homework.
I'll
To try.
try.
You got to. You want to play softball, right? So you gotta do this extra stuff because hitting once a week with me for an hour is not gonna change much. I think about this. It's like math class, okay? I can give you the equation, right? But you have to do what with the equation? Solve it. Well, I should say I can give you the formulas. I'm sorry. Give you the formulas. What do you have to do with the formulas? What formulas do you know in math? Y equals mx plus b. You ever heard of that? A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
We did not do algebra yet.
No, not yet. Well, guess what? There's going to be a lot of stuff coming right at you. So think about this. I'm giving you a formula, and you got to apply these formulas to the right equation, right? So think about this. So if you go and you do your homework, do you think you get just a tad bit better? Maybe. Okay, sure, maybe. But you have to do it because I'm not going to give you a choice. Because I'll know if you do it or don't. Because I can see it. So you gotta do it. You will get better, but if only you apply yourself. If you don't apply yourself, you might be But if you do apply yourself and you go the extra mile, you'll get the extra reps, you'll get the extra understanding, or you'll understand it better, I should say, excuse me. And you'll be able to perform a little bit better because you understand it at a higher level. You're an all A student, right? You got all A's. Yeah? You like school? You like going up and beyond and doing all the extra credit and stuff? Sometimes? So think of it like that. Just going and watching your favorite hitter swing a couple times and sitting there and comparing it to what you do now and what they do and how you can get better or copy what they do or what they do really good or something like that, or what they don't do so good. And there's a whole bunch of things you could do. Like I said, like you can get in front of the mirror and do these little small drills. But it's up to you. It's up to you to apply yourself. You apply yourself in school, so how is softball any different? It's really not. Really, all softball and baseball is a discipline. Just literally one big discipline. That teaches you a incredible amounts of life lessons, just lessons in general. Life lessons, all different types of stuff. It's one big classroom. But it's a game though. So it's only if you apply yourself. That's the only way you're going to get better, is if you apply yourself. Okay? Here you go. Relax, stay relaxed. Almost. Allow yourself to be a little bit more direct. Turn into that ball. You have to turn into that ball. I'm going to sit on this ground. You're going to hit this ball. I'm going to flash a number. Okay? Flash a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to flash a number. I'm going to see if you saw it. Worry about the ball first.
1.
All right.
I didn't see that one.
You didn't see it because did you look up first? Yeah. So as soon as you hit that ball, you should be able to sit here and peer down and see it right here on my knee. You saw it. I know you saw it.
You got 20% chance of getting it right, or maybe.
I kind of saw it.
Then what'd you see?
I don't really know.
Say it.
But maybe like a 2?
It was 2.
Four.
There you go.
Maybe 3?
Yeah, it's 3. Howdy. Doing all right? Here we go.
2?
Yeah.
Maybe a
Say it.
2 or a 3?
No, which one?
Um,
It's either or.
Can you do one number in a row?
I can. I can do whatever I want.
Then
Say it. Just say it.
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Just say it.
3.
Oh, you had it right when you said 2. You talked yourself out of it instead of just going with what you saw, because you're too afraid to fail and you're too afraid to get things wrong. This is where we get it wrong in the cage. Don't be afraid to mess up. You got to sit here and be able to be okay with failing and being okay with messing up. If you're not, you can't play the sport. Yep. Like I said, don't be scared. Just say it. If you say what you saw, that's all you gotta do is say what you saw. Say what you saw. Just say it.
2.
Close. 3.
1.
Yeah, that was too easy. My pinky got caught in my pants.
Maybe working on peripheral vision.
Yeah. Say what you saw.
3.
Close. 4.
2.
You worried about this first. That's why you hit bad. Hit the ball first. Let me ask you something. I'm sure he will agree with me. Do you feel like you've been hitting the ball a little bit better since we did start this drill? Getting a little bit more barrels?
Since we started this drill?
Yeah, with me flashing the numbers.
Maybe.
Ask him.
What do you got a question? Raise your hand. What's your question?
Do you think I can hit the ball better?
You think you can get Nicole to do that to you during practice?
Do what?
Sit down and flash it.
Oh,
They had sliding practice last Thursday.
Oh yeah.
They got the slip and slide out.
it was awful.
It was awful. LOL. Do you know why you're hitting the ball a little bit better? Your focal point. I said worry about hitting the ball first, and you are allowing the ball or the bat to get to the ball, allowing the barrel to get to the ball, and you're staying through it while keeping your eyes on contact point, because I'm forcing you to sit here and see this. So every time your eyes go somewhere else, so turn your head. What happened? Yeah, but what else followed? Yeah, so what does that tell you? Yes, so wherever your eyes and your head goes, your body is going to follow. So since you are keeping your focal point here and you're seeing it here, everything's coming straight through the ball. Versus I'm looking all the way down there and I'm seeing 60 feet of cage. You can't see nothing. It's just cage. There's no field, no nothing. You have to worry about what's happening here. Right there. If you can see this and see this ball get hit, you automatically know where this ball is going to go. But if you can't see that, you're not going to have a clue. I can't see. Here we go.
The numbers again?
Oh yeah. Hit the ball first and then go. Good. Just say it. Don't go, Say it. Uh-huh.
All right, Carina, rip one.
What are you worried about what's going on over here? Where should you... that's strike 3 right there.
Oh gosh, that was really. I didn't see that.
Oh, I wonder why. Grab that ball behind you.
Just remember, if you hit the ball square, it'll go.
Yeah. Just say it.
4.
Close. 3.
Gonna say 3.
You don't guess it. Just say it. Is that a question or a statement? It's a statement? Yep, 1.
Grip the bat when you hit the ball. Just grip it.
Oh.
What was it?
I don't know. Maybe like a 4.
Nope, you didn't even see it. That's a complete guess. See what happens? You're missing barrel now because we're not watching. Focus in. Focus back on there. Small load. Do a small, simple load. Be as simple as you can and then get through that ball. Nope, I said simple.
4.
Close, 3. Nope. You didn't watch the ball. Nope. You looked at my fingers before you even hit the ball. Just say it.
3.
Yep.
You get your 1,000 words out of her yet?
A little bit more today. We're getting there. We're about at probably 72. Say it.
3.
Close, 2. You looked at before you hit the ball.
4.
Nope. Your focal point was off. You're too worried about what's going on over here. Worry about this first, because if you worry about that, you keep your eyes there, you'll see what I'm putting up.
5.
That was a complete guess.
I saw like fingers.
I mean, yeah, you should see fingers every at bat, like every swing.
2.
Okay.
Um, 3.
Yep.
No clue on it.
Gotta allow yourself to work.
2.
That's such a guess.
Uh,
I can tell when you guess. I can tell when you actually have it right and you actually saw it. Just so you know.
3.
Yeah. See, when you have it right and you actually do it right and you see it, you say it right away. When you don't see it,
Keep your head down. Everybody else will watch the ball. There you
1.
that was a guess.
I saw a finger.
That was a guess.
go. You should ask him, were you right? He's not going to tell you.
4.
No. 2. You're way off in that one.
2.
Yeah.
And grip the bat tighter as you come to the ball. Sounded better.
Get the ball. You don't know. You don't know.
Oh. 5.
That was a guess.
We got it right.
Oh, were you? also a guess.
I saw.
Well, then say it with some conviction.
Three.
Yep. See? Right there. You knew. Guess what? Line drive right there. And you guessed it right. Or didn't guess. You told me correctly. You told me it wasn't a guess.
2.
Yep. Stay down. Don't come up.
2.
Slow down. You're all right. Don't be so jumpy. The world's not that scary. Get another ball. Focus, come on. Focus right here.
After you hit the ball, look at the top of the tee, batting tee. Keep your eye there.
2.
Yeah.
Mm, 3.
Nope. I cheated there, but you're close.
2.
Nope.
Head down.
Settle down. Slow. Slow and small. Think slow and small. Say it.
3.
Yep.
Just like the cheap game. Okay?
Mhm.
You don't want to lose that game. Shouldn't lose this one.
Mm, 2.
Nope.
Are you 1?
Nope. 0. You should. You didn't say what you saw it, but you didn't say it.
I thought you didn't.
You didn't say it. I told you. Say the first thing that comes to mind. Is that the last ball?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Square and look at the top of the tee until after it's gone.
1.
Yep. Go pick them. No. Ugh.
Catch your legs.
Yeah.
You
I'm
know,
not.